All right, for this video here, first of all, I want to tell you that I'm not going to be doing the rest of the problems or problems like it. I did some problems that were ratio problems, but you can go back and watch the videos for Chapter 4 or Chapter 5. And there are videos on how to do all the types of problems that you are seeing here on this test prep. So go back and rewatch some of those videos if you're confused. And I mean, the main thing is you want to get your brain just totally in tune with how to do this type of math so that when you get to the test, it's just easy for you. You want to have mastery over it. So yeah, watch those videos if you're stuck on any of the remaining problems. But right now I'm going to go over the self-checker. The problem number one, we're doing the self-checker part of this test prep for chapters 1 to 5. And number one, I already kind of went over that with you, but if your answer is, say, 2 times 6, no, it can't be 6 because that's not a prime number. Let me undo that. 2 times 2 times 3 or something, then in the self-check for number one, you are going to write 7 because 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. And then for number 5, it says how many numbers. So you made a list of numbers. -3, -1, 1, 3, whatever it is. How many ever numbers you wrote, in this case I wrote 4 of them, that's what goes in the blank. How many numbers you wrote. Number 6 asks you to add the whole number, the whole numerator and denominator all together to put it in your self-checker. So number 6 and number 7 do the same thing. The way you do that is if you have, let's say, a fraction of 3 and 2/5, you're going to add all 3 of these numbers together, and that goes in the self-checker. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So in that case, a 10 would go in the self-checker, and that's how you do it for both 6 and 7. Let's see, what other one might be confusing? Number 10b says to do it the same as what I just showed you right here. And number 11, right together. So number 11 is going to be a ratio answer. So if your ratio is, say, 7 to 20 or something, then in your self-check, you're going to write the number 720. Just put all these digits together into one number. All right, and number 14, you do it the same as that, and everything else should be pretty clear. Don't forget to get a hold of me if anything's just giving you a ton of trouble. There's no excuses coming to class saying you didn't get something.